In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my review of the MOVO WMX-1-DUO. And you heard that right, duo. So this is a wireless microphone lavalier setup with one receiver and two transmitters. So if you're someone who wants a wireless microphone setup for your smartphone or DSLR, and you want to have two people mic'd at the same time for interviews, documentaries, filmmaking, and like making actual short films, this is an incredible setup, and the duo option really separates it from the competition out there, and we're going to be taking a look at this in this video. Now, if you're new to this channel, I show you how to make videos on your smartphone so you can grow an audience, help others, and make money doing what you love. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe, and let's jump into this review. All right, so inside this box, we get this nice carrying case, which I absolutely love. Makes it easy to pack along, and it's a little messy because I've obviously opened this up and used it, but to the left here we have our first transmitter and lavalier microphone, which the lavalier microphones both are included, so you do have that. On this, we have our clip, your on and off switch, pair button, you have the microphone and line in connecting areas, and then on the bottom here, which I think is kind of interesting, if we pop this open, you'll notice it takes AAAs. When I first saw this had AAAs, I thought, this is 2021, why are we using AAAs? But then it hit me. If I'm out on a shoot and I'm doing interviews, or maybe I'm vlogging the whole day, and if my thing just has a built-in rechargeable battery, once it dies, I have to wait and use like a battery pack to charge it up just so I can have audio again. Whereas with this, with the MOVO WMX-1, I can just put two new AAAs in, and then I'm back at full battery and able to continue recording, continue getting great audio. So I actually appreciate the fact that MOVO did use AAAs. I think the AAAs were a smart move for this product. So that's one of the transmitters. We then have the second transmitter and its lavalier microphone as well. And then we have the receiver, and this, it has the line out and also headphone monitoring if you want to double check to make sure your audio sounds good. This also has a clip, but you can also have the included shoe mount, so you can mount it onto a rig or whatever, you know, just at any standard shoe mount, or even tripod, as I see here. Then included, you have this cable. So as you can see, this will plug into the microphone. This one plugs into the smartphone. Let's not waste any time. Let's just go out and test this microphone out in the real world. All right, so here we are outside testing the WMX-1-DUO. I actually have Libby hooked up. Say hi, Libby.
Hi.
And as you can see, both of the audio is going for both of us. Right now, it's not too loud. We do have some, if you want to look over, we got some cars kind of driving by over there. We'll do a test right by the road so you can kind of see how the ambient audio sounds with this hooked up. Also with Filmic Pro, I have the audio line set halfway, so that way it doesn't get too loud if things end up getting loud around us. So how about Libby step away a little bit?
Okay.
And these are supposed to go up to a really far distance that I'll put on the screen, so that way you can see that the audio will continue to work. Hey Libby,
Hi.
Why don't you say something?
Hi, I'm Libby.
How about something more?
Something more. These mics are really cool because they're like hidden, and that's why I like.
And what we'll do a test, just miking up two actors just to see how these sound.
Have you seen that YouTube channel called Colin Michael?
Yeah, it's like I like how he like gives all the tips and tells you how to like use the apps and stuff.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
It's great.
Like if I wanted to make a YouTube channel or something like about Minecraft, like I could like look up his videos. He tells you how to edit, how to like use the apps to do it.
Are you subscribed?
No, not yet, but I'm thinking about subscribing.
Yeah, I've been subscribed for like a year now, and it's great.
Yeah.
I get all these cool tips on how to use my phone and what good mics to get. It's awesome.
Yeah.
We're paid to say this.
Yep.
Hi, today we're in Waukesha, downtown Waukesha, and we're by the road seeing how the mics work with the car. It's like 30 degrees. It's pretty cold out. It was windy earlier today, and we were freezing to death. And now it's not really windy anymore. So, yeah. Anything you want to say?
Not really. There's nothing really to talk about.
People are looking at us like we're nut jobs. Like, what are these guys doing out here? Because nobody would want to be out here in the cold like this.
Making a video.
Now, after listening to those audio samples, I was blown away by the quality of these microphones, to the point where I'm wearing them right now. This is right now hooked up. It's going down to the, receiver. And I'm in love with it. It's the greatest thing ever. So I'll have the link to this down below in the description so you guys can pick this up and check it out yourself. Highly recommended, to the point where I'm using it. And also be sure to check out some of the other gear that we have reviewed. You can click on that playlist, see other smartphone gear that you might be interested in. And thanks for watching this video.